my crafty friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're doing fine. We are in March, spring is around the corner, and we are still cold over here. It's snowing. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching those type of videos, just please don't forget to click the button to subscribe and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And today's video, I am continuing the Craftroom Organization Series for this year. So after buying Maggie Holmes supplies through other friends, and also went to Tuesday morning and hit the jackpot with supplies. So I decided to reorganize and have a station dedicated for Maggie Holmes supplies. So I am going to show you what I came up with and how I'm storing the Maggie Holmes products / supplies. I am going to flip the camera so you can watch my new Maggie Holmes crafty station. I'll be right back. So I normally roll this card next to my desk and then start, getting stuff out. So I purchased this card. It's the brand, I believe, is Recollections at Michael's. Last month, and here is the card. I'm just gonna do an overlook of the card. Okay, so let's start. So on the first tray, I have this little white container that I got at Michael's, where I have some washi that it's not Maggie Holmes, but it's quite the, like color coordinated. Also these jemmies and some of my confetti open loose ephemera and some washi here, and some pink sequins. And over here I have all my mini pads: Bloom, Gather, Sunny Days, Carousel, and Flourish, and Willow Lane. So if you want to see my Maggie Holmes stash, I have a video, show me my Maggie, and also a crafty haul as well. In this plain container, I have some of my Maggie Holmes paper scraps. Over here I have more carousel, used carousel. Now over here I have the recent acquired Gather and Bloom and also Willow Lane washi tape. As you can see, everything is just follow like a color pattern, and I'm going to go and reveal this second. Here I have space to put more washi. I am not putting washi right now. I know that I have the washi that it's almost like Maggie Holmes style, like golden colors and pink. They're in that tray, so I didn't want to confuse this. And over here I have ephemera, and these are all the pieces that I have been collecting, acquiring past few weeks and last year as well. All the collections. This side of the card is quite empty. I only have like 2 of the confetti. And let's roll over here. So here we go. You see this little tray? Here I have all the Maggie Holmes stickers, all in this big plastic envelope. I have showed to you these in my previous videos. Just in case you want to see what I have inside, just leave me a comment down below. I can make another video and show you what I have and how I have categorized and organized the stickers. Now the third tray, I have this bin that I can take it anywhere. And I have all the puffy stickers, trims, standouts, alphas, embellishments, enamel stickers from the different collections of Maggie Holmes. And over here I have all the stamps from, I believe it's Chasing Dream and Willow Lane, some of the doilies, and some of the party bags. And down here I have the fake Maggie Holmes from AliExpress. You know, it looks so similar. And some of my few pieces and ephemeras from different collections. So it's easy. I just grab the bin in whatever I am working on, crafting on. I just put it on my table. The stickers are here, so they are not in my IKEA cabinet anymore, so I can start using them and crafting along. And let's take a look again. This is the other side. And I just love this card. It's just like so gorgeous. I can have all my Maggie Holmes station. That. And it's easy. I roll it over next to my table. I know it's getting stuck here because I have a couple of rugs. And okay, there we go. I'm just gonna, this is a view of the card. This side, on this peg, I am planning probably to put things, you know, things that I craft, that I finish. I can just, you know, hang in over there, or I don't know. Supposedly this is just like for your tools, you know, scissors, the staplers, etc. You know, I have those on my table. So, but this is just a good mini pegboard that I can put things, you know, maybe completed stuff, you know, memory decks, cards, Maggie Home themes, etc. So this is it. This is the Maggie Holmes station. Again, if you have watched the entire video, that means that you like it. So please don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.